Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the world of portable dishwashers. Today, we're putting the Farberware FD-W05ASBWHA and the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher head-to-head. Both of these compact appliances are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they come with different features that may cater to your specific needs. Let's explore what each has to offer. The Farberware FD-W05ASBWHA features a compact design with a built-in water tank, making it ideal for small spaces. It has a simple aesthetic that blends well in any kitchen. On the other hand, the AIRMSEN model boasts a sleek and modern design with a double-layered glass door and LED interior light, enhancing its visual appeal and functionality. Both models are portable, but the AIRMSEN stands out with its stylish features. When it comes to washing programs, the Farberware offers 5 distinct cycles, including baby care and fruit wash, which cater to specific cleaning needs. In contrast, the AIRMSEN model provides 7 washing programs, adding options like extra drying and ventilated storage, which can be particularly useful for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. The additional features of the AIRMSEN may provide a more versatile washing experience. The Farberware FD-W05ASBWHA is designed for basic cleaning tasks and is easy to use, but it may struggle with heavily soiled dishes. Conversely, the AIRMSEN portable dishwasher, with its advanced features and additional wash cycles, is likely to deliver superior cleaning performance, making it a better choice for those who need more from their dishwasher. Both models have their strengths, but the AIRMSEN seems to have the edge in this category. In conclusion, both the Farberware FD-W05ASBWHA and the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you're looking for a straightforward and compact option, the Farberware might be the way to go. However, if you want more versatility and advanced features, the AIRMSEN is likely the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like